Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are fine. So today we'll see the easiest chutney, Bombay chutney. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in a vessel. Add 1 teaspoon of chana dal to it. Add 1 slit red chili. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and 4 slit green chilies to it. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add few curry leaves to it. Fry them until tomatoes become mushy. See, now they have turned mushy. Now add 2 glasses of water to it. Let it come to a boil. Meanwhile, add 2 spoons of chickpea flour to a bowl and add enough water. Mix well without any lumps. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the boiling soup. Now add the chickpea mixture to it and keep stirring continuously. Otherwise, it may catch up the bottom. Now let it simmer for 10 minutes and stir continuously. After 10 minutes, it will become thick. Now it's done. Switch off the flame and serve hot. It tastes very good with idli and dosa. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.